Hi everyone! Welcome back. Today, I'm inviting you into my home as I take a little time to refresh the floor. Cleaning isn't just about removing dust or stains. For me, it's a ritual, a way to slow down, breathe deeply, and create a space that feels calm, warm, and full of light. As the sunlight pours through the curtains, I grab my spray bottle and cloth and let every little step bring more peace into the room. Let's begin. I like to start fresh. A few sprays on the floor, the gentle mist catching the light, and then a slow, graceful wipe with the cloth. It's such a simple action, but it sets the tone for everything that follows. Sitting back on my knees, I polish slowly, breathing deeply. It's a quiet moment, a reminder that even in everyday routines, there is space for peace, grace, and calm reflection. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share this moment of peace with someone who might need it. Until next time, take care and enjoy your cozy, clean space.